Okay, this back leg here would be hidden, so don't force it in there. And then here, this will just get kind of curved. So from this position, when it's this close to the vanishing point and 2 point, these angles, this side still has to go to the vanishing point. Then from like when you choose the length of the leg, you gotta go from the bottom of the leg, whatever that is, out. It's gonna make this one, from this position, it's gonna make this look really long. What I would do is reduce the scale of it to keep that crazy long leg from happening. Let's just finish this way. There is the arm, and just curve that up. Have that. So in your drawings, like the 2 point, you're not drawing like to the vanishing point. In some of them, it looks like you're using the vanishing point sometimes, but not all the time. So this seems like it's wrong, but it's just because for the distance between these two vanishing points, this is too big. So I would need to draw this. If I were to draw this smaller over here, so that to the vanishing point, that to the vanishing point. So here the length of this, whatever I choose, like you have to choose the length of one of the legs to be correct. And then you, like in the base, if I choose this to be correct, then I would go from the bottom to that vanishing point and the bottom to this vanishing point. And then you would draw this down until it intersects that orthogonal, which is the line receding in perspective. Now this does kind of stick out based on the design, but first draw it straight. That one you would see, and I think I would shorten that a little bit. Okay, and from here to the vanishing point, trim that one. So it's possible, like if you draw the seat too deep initially, if you don't foreshorten, like just like shorten it up enough in perspective, then it will make these, like the length here and the length here will look very different from each other, and in a way that looks wrong. So the height of this arm and then over to get the height of that arm. Okay. Darken the seat there. So that's a little bit more like it, but still I think that it's too, I've drawn a little too deep this way. I need to shorten this up. And I think I'll take it off the back. And that's probably going to be better. Draw that straight, and then I think that leg is actually set in a little, like that happens with legs, and like the back legs will be in closer to each other up where they connect and then sort of splay out a little bit. But once I have this, there, obey perspective. This is the leg here. I think I might shorten that up a little bit. There, the bottom of that's getting a little bit heavily drawn and a little unclear. That's probably better. So it's like the length here is a little more like that. So just like, you know, when you're here, you're closer to this vanishing point, draw to that vanishing point, and then with these, I think with one of them you drew just like a horizontal, you should have drawn to this opposite vanishing point.